In this video, we are going to show you how to use your mobile UCard for your Apple devices. First, you will need to download and log in to the Atrium Campus Connect app with your University of Utah CIS username and password. The app will request a Duo notification each time you log in for the safety and security of your device and your account. Keep in mind, you will not need to log into the app for each use. Once you've logged in, tap on the Settings cog in the bottom right corner and go to the Credentials tab to add your mobile ID to your Apple Wallet and Apple Watch. You will need to add your mobile ID to your wallets in order to have a contactless option for the ID, so you don't need to log into the app each time you want to use it. Once your ID is added to your wallet, you are now free to use your mobile UCard all over campus, including checking out books at the library, accessing dorms, dining halls, vending machines, and more. Visit ucard.utah.edu/mobile to learn more about what your mobile UCard can do.